How to fix Sweat Wallet app login problem. So if you want to fix the Sweat Wallet app login problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Play Store, open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Sweat Wallet. Once you search for Sweat Wallet, now here you will have the application, right? So under your Sweat Wallet, if you have any updates, then you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply remove the application. And here you just need to simply search for Sweat Wallet and tap and hold on to your Sweat Wallet. And after that, go with the app info. Once you're under the app info of the Sweat Wallet, you need to go with storage and cache. And here you need to go with clear cache, tap on clear cache, and then also go with clear storage. Once you clear the cache and also the storage, now you just need to simply go back and open up the application. And once you open it up, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you can continue with your Sweat coin, or you can continue with your Google or other methods. So that's how you can fix Sweat Wallet app login problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.